What's up, everybody? Baron Von Stroud coming at you with another BVS action figure review. Today from Hasbro, the Power Rangers Lightning Collection. The Power Rangers in Space Pink Ranger. So, cool news with this one is that it does complete a team, so I'm super pumped to get it. As far as packaging, completely standard. You get the digital kind of render on the back, standard packaging. Articulation, pretty much the same for all female in space, or not just in space, but all female Rangers. Got the butterfly joints, ball joint head, still just the single jointed arms. They still give us double jointed as far as the knees, but on the head or on the arms, we are just getting single joints. Maybe that'll change. Legends have switched, so maybe that'll change soon. So we have the In Space Pink Ranger, Cassie Chan. She is played by Patricia Jia. So pretty good likeness here. Of course, you know, that's a more modern picture, and of course she played her, what was it, 15, 20 years ago. In the package, you'll get that unsculpted head, the Ranger itself, blaster, extra weapon, and a couple extra hands, and of course an effect. So the In Space Pink Ranger comes with the satellite stunner, and of course an effect theme to go with that particular weapon. Now, unfortunately, unlike the Mighty Morphin Power Rangers, the weapons for the In-Space Rangers do not form the Quadra Blaster. So one downside here, maybe we'll get like a whole version of it at some point. Who knows? Now, as I said in the beginning, this does complete the team as far as the In-Space core team. There is that Silver Ranger exclusive for the Sixth Ranger, but we do now have a core original In-Space team completed together now. Solid figure. I mean, it's like with these, they're all kind of uniform. That's one thing about this line, is there's a lot of uniformity. So it goes really well, of course, with our team. You can't really expect anything much. Now, with the villains, you're getting a little bit of variety, but with the Rangers themselves, everything's very consistent. So you know it's going to be good because it is so consistent. So that's one big plus to this line. It's actually probably my favorite line Hasbro has out right now. It's really between this and the G.I. Joe Classified as far as being my favorite right now. Goes, of course, would give the pink Psycho Ranger a villain to fight, or a good guy to fight now. So pretty pumped about that. If you have not gotten the In Space Pink yet, should be able to find it most places starting now. You can also jump on like Hasbro Pulse and all that and find it. Looking at MSRP of $22.99. So that's what you should be able to find it out. You may catch it on sale. You know, GameStop and places like that run sales every now and then online. It should be fairly easy to find in the next few weeks. As far as the figure itself, nothing too revolutionary here. I give it an 8 out of 10. It's a great figure. I've never really been disappointed with anything in the Lightning Collection, and this is no exception. But there's nothing that really makes it stand out as, you know, hey, this is cool. But it's a must-have if you like the team. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed this review, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button.